Hi, Conor O'Phelan here, co-founder of Dojour, and I want to show you how you can connect Dojour to your Google Calendar. Dojour was created to keep in sync with you and your customers, but how about you and your internal team? Well, odds are you probably use something like a shared calendar, and most likely you probably use Google Calendar. So let me show you how you can connect the two. So anytime you add something new to Dojour, it's one click away from being connected to your internal team for sharing uses. So in the drop down here for my profile, there's Manage Account, and the new area here is Google Calendar. So you click there, and you can see the ability to link a calendar. When you press Link Calendar, you get a little pop-up asking you to connect to your Google Calendar account. I allow, and then it'll refresh the page, and I'll select which calendar I want to use. I'm a big Google Calendar user, so I have multiple calendars, and I'll select Mill City Brewing. And now you're ready to go. And now when we go to your actual events themselves, we'll show you something new here. You'll see this Add to Cal spot, and then you'll see the link in the top right. So now when I click Add to GCal, it'll sync with Google Calendar, you'll see. And then it'll be ready to go. And the same thing works for things with multiple dates. So in this case, my brewery tour is every Saturday. And I have the option here to do just this one date. Because there are multiple Saturdays, I want to use this top right one so it gets every Saturday that I've put between now and January. So I press this one, and it refreshes the page, syncing the calendar. The more the events there are, the little longer it takes to do that. And as we're loading up, you'll see that it will, in fact, sync to the Google Calendar. So now we go, and I use Sunrise for my personal calendar, which links to Google Calendar. And you can see that the Saturday brewery tour and the IPA party are right here. And if you keep going, you'll see the brewery tour is there, and the brewery tour is there. So if now we're going to go back and add more dates to the brewery tour, because again, it's every Saturday, I go into Edit, and let's go and add some more dates down the line here a little bit. So add more dates. And let's go and say we're doing some special ones the day after New Year's and then the 10th. And those ones will happen at noon on those days. And the end time will be 1. We create it. And then again, we save it. Press the button in the corner. And it is updating and checking to see what's new in your account and where it needs to add to your Google Calendar instead. So once it's synced, go to your actual calendar to double check, and we can see that, in fact, it has been added. The brewery tour is there, and there as well. So if you have any questions on it, please reach out. We're happy to help. Hopefully, we're making it that much easier to run your organization and keep everyone in sync, not just your customers, but your internal team as well.